So this is a potentially important week for markets because you get two of the most important events for the month of July this week. The first key event is Wednesday's FOMC decision. Now, undoubtedly, you've heard that there is an ongoing feud between President Trump and Fed Chair Powell. The nexus of that feud is that President Trump wants Powell to cut interest rates. Well, the Fed is not cutting interest rates, and they are not expected to cut interest rates at Wednesday's meeting. However, markets will be watching for any hints that the Fed is getting ready to cut rates at the next meeting in September. If the Fed hints that rate cuts are coming, that will be a positive for stocks and bonds. However, if Powell is defiant and says that the Fed remains in a wait-and-see mode, that will be a negative, and you will see Treasury yields rise. The next important event this week is Friday's jobs report. Now, it's really rare that we get a Fed meeting and a jobs report in the same week, so there's a potential for some substantial volatility this week. Specifically with Friday's jobs report, underpinning this entire rally in stocks is the idea that economic growth is stable. If the jobs report is weak, if we see a near zero job ads number or a negative number, then you are going to see fears of an economic slowdown spike, and that is going to be very negative for markets in the short term.